Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School Mova for class 6 English. We have started this chapter 4 reuse, reduce and recycle before your unit test 3. So today we are going to start our further activity. In this activity maybe it's 7, yes. Note that the poem follows a pattern. The first part of each verse is the same and the second part contains instructions. Notice that instructions often start with verbs. So first we look this poem. Read out with me. We have been working on recycling all the trash we can. We have been working on recycling. It's a very simple plan. Separate your glass and paper. Separate plastic from tin. Take the trash that you have recycled to your recycling bin. In our house also, we throw this trash into different dustbin. Do you know? As per wet, as per dry, as per plastic. Okay. We look at our second stanza. We have been working on reducing all the trash we can. We have been working on reducing. It's a very simple plan. We have been working on reducing. Do you know reducing means decreasing, deduction. All the trash we can. We have been working on reducing. It's a very simple plan. Don't go wasting any products. Use exactly what you need. Don't buy things in extra wrapping. Reduce and you will succeed. At our home also, whenever you eating, then your mother instructed, don't waste food. As per that, don't go wasting any products. Use exactly what you need. As per our need, we have to take. Don't waste. Don't buy things in extra wrapping. Whatever you need, that things you purchase. Reduce and you will succeed. As per third stanza, we have been working on reusing all the trash we can. We have been working on reusing. It's a very simple plan. If it's a paper bag you are using, don't use it once but twice. 2 times you use. Don't waste. Give old clothes and toys to someone to reuse them. That had been nice. Very good this poem. We taught from this poem, don't waste, don't throw and don't reduce. Okay. So here, which verbs start the instruction in the poem? Write a new verse with new instructions. Choose recycling, reducing or reusing for your verse. So we have been working on reusing, recycling and reducing. The instruction verbs are separate, separate and take from stanza 1. The instruction verbs are don't go, use, don't buy, reduce. And from stanza 3, don't use and give. So as per that, we understand working also on reusing, reducing and recycling. Share your poem with your classmates. Work together to make the longest new poem that you can. How many verses did you make? Our classmate made a new poem with as you like. Okay, put that verses. How many verses did your class make on each topic? We had dash verses, your choice. Okay. Next activity 8. The students of one school made this list of things they have left over after a party. 30 napkins, 2 cake plates, 4 cups, 6 plastic spoons, half cake, dirty paper, tablecloth, 10 popped balloons, banner, flowers from centerpieces, confetti swept from the floor, party blower, torn party hats, streamers, burned cake candles. Write a paragraph describing one thing you can make or things you can do with the things left over. Don't throw anything away. I have made the following uses of the above mentioned things. So from these 30 napkins, 2 cake plates, 4 cups, 6 plastic spoons, half cake, dirty paper tablecloth, 10 popped balloons, banner. From these after a party leftover things I send with PDF and write down in your notebook. Okay, thank you.